Welcome everybody. Today we've got Buzz-Off. And I actually do have his axe. He also evidently had a helmet of some sort that I do not have. But of course, he's a bee, so he had wings and he could fly. He also has the copyright written on the wings. I noticed that. So, Hong Kong, Mattel. Yeah, it's printed. You can read it on the others. Okay, there it is. Mattel Inc. 1983. He has it's sort of a backpack situation holding his wings on. They're not directed into his body. I've never tried to take it off or anything, but the wings do come off. As you can see, there's a key for them, and they've got a little bit wider spot. But like I say, I've never messed with that. They will stay upright still, which is sort of surprising. His hips are really strong. They're not wobbly at all. Got good power punch action. He's in really good shape. Really, the paint and everything looks good on him. I thought I played with him a lot more than that. But and of course he didn't have a hand, so they had the axe that would sort of clip onto his claw just right. But you go too far and it'd fall off and be loose. So, but it was, I liked him. I thought, he's got the metallic eyes going there, and he was a good, fun character. Even though I was a little scared of bees when I was a kid. But yeah, I like him. He pops with the colors. The wings were cool. He had all these little details on his arms and legs. Got these little fins or bumps or whatever you want to call them there. He also had the claw feet that I was talking about earlier this week with Zodak, sort of denotes bad guy. But these are different claw feet, so I don't know if that counts. But anyway, that's Buzz-Off. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.